Hello friends, welcome back again to our training videos today on Microgrid, the newly launched money making opportunity. Now I'm going to just show you how to make withdrawal very easy. Withdrawal has been one of the areas that a lot of people are finding difficult, so that's why I have to do this. But before I go this, let me tell you a few things about withdrawal. Number one, once you have up to 1K, you can withdraw. That's the minimum withdrawal balance or threshold. Number two, withdrawals doesn't take place on Sundays, but you have Monday to Saturday. Monday to Friday is from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Saturdays, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Bear this at the back of your mind. There's no withdrawal fee. And so these are some of the things you should know about withdrawal. Now, when you want to withdraw, first of all, you go to your home page. You now click on withdrawal. Watch. When you click on withdrawal, put the amount you want to withdraw. And that should be the amount you have. That is at least more than 1,000. The Naira is there already. You click on submit. Watch what I'm going to do right now. Now at this point, the system say you are seeing account number or you are seeing account name first or account number. Anyone you are seeing first, type it. You can see account number is down. Account name is here. You can type it. Watch. I type. This is it. When I type this, watch what will happen. I click on submit. The system say there are some things you have not filled. Fill this form. Okay. I now click to fill the form, which is account number. Now, let me show you something. When you are doing this, pay attention. If you are doing it correctly, the next thing I'm writing should be, the thing should be written on top of the other. Okay, for instance, let me write account number first, which is 7066894406. This is my account number. Then my bank is OPay and all that. Now I click on submit. The system now says I should fill the other area. I should fill this. I must make sure it's right now. If it's not writing on top of it, I'm not getting it. So make sure, because if you don't get it, it will not work. You must be writing on top of that. You must be writing on top of it. Yes, it's going now. Once it says that in, type right on top of it. Are you seeing it? You are written on top of this place. Once you write your account number and that bank and click on submit, once that you see that in saying fill this sum, don't remove it. Type that your name. Once you do it, my account name is here and I can click submit. Watch, it's going. There's no more problem. Withdrawal requests have been sent successfully. For now, it's pending. Once they approve it, it will go get into my. You have seen how simple it is. You know, in life, we'll keep on getting things. Once you follow what I've just done now, you won't complain again. Anything like withdrawal is giving me headache, it will never be. And that's exactly how to go about this. Put whether your number or whatever, especially the number, put it first. Click on submit. Then you put your account number and your bank. Click on submit. The system will say you fill this form. As that thing is written there, don't remove it. Now fill the form by putting your account name. Then click submit. Everything will go through. That's exactly how to do it. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. You see stuff like that. We're going to be giving you such videos. And I want to encourage you, this particular online money making opportunity is paying. While everything online is a risk, I encourage you to invest wisely. But if you want to start intentionally this year, please don't miss this. If you want to join, use my link you're going to see in this video description. You can contact me directly on my WhatsApp contact so that we can talk more about this. Don't waste time being part of this journey. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.